As we enter our second to last week of the course, you will be learning about young English language learners and strategies you can use to help them in the classroom. Your assignments this week are to read Chapter 8, along with the video resources that go with Chapter 8, complete a discussion post by Thursday, and an ELL Strategies assignment, which would be due on Saturday. There's also an article posted along with the assignment that will help you to complete it. And just another reminder that your final assignment is due by December 15th. And there is a video that gives you information about the expectations of that assignment. For your discussion post, it's due on Thursday, December 6th, and you need to answer 2 questions. The first being, should learning English be the first priority for those arriving in the United States? And you're asked to state the evidence about why or why not. And this information begins on page 210 in your text and goes through page 216. And the second part of your discussion post is what dimensions should teachers consider when teaching ELLs? And there are 2 separate rubric selections just for both of those questions. So make sure that you answer them thoroughly as well as cite some research to go along with them. For your assignment this week, it's about English language learner strategies, and you need to create a descriptive list of strategies to foster communication with children who are English language learners. And additionally, you need to explain each of the strategy with an example and application of the communication method. And the link that's posted on Canvas to the article 8 Strategies for Preschool ELLs Language Literacy Development will help, as well as information starting on page 218 in your text. You have the same usual assignment options. You may write a paper, as most of you do choose to do, or you can do a PowerPoint or use any other kind of technology. Just be cautious when using other types of technology that you still complete all of the exemplary sections of the rubric. And here are the exemplary sections of the rubric. The first being that you need to create the descriptive list of strategies to foster communication with children who are English language learners, and make sure that you provide a thesis statement that sparks the interest of the reader and clearly show the outcomes of your paper. Also, you need to make sure that you presented at least 5 strategies and explained each strategy with an example of the application of the communication method. So definitely make sure you have a minimum of 5 strategies explained throughout your paper. And the final sections of the rubric are the same as always. One being critical thinking and analysis, meaning that not only are you including research, but you're also including your perspective on the research. The quality and organization of your writing is another section of the rubric. So making sure that citations are correct, that your work is organized, and that it transitions well throughout the paper. And also making sure that you use research. And just as a reminder, you need to have more than 3 sources in order to receive full credit. Please let me know if you have any questions about this assignment or about the final assignment, which is coming up very quickly.